Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, and we're on another field trip, and we are glitch hunting, guys. Yes, we are on the trail of a glitch, and you know you want to know. So make sure you like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, look below and hit that red subscription button. That way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, field trips, and just hanging out with, well, some really awesome folks. So come on, guys, let's go find out what's going on at the DG. Okay, we have an instant savings, as I told you in a previous video, on PG paper products. And you know, for me, that is mainly this. Now, there's several ways that you can do this, okay? Y'all, if you watch me long enough, you know I'm not big on the TP. But we do have a coupon on the TP. We also have a coupon on the puffs. So, and we also have 50-cent coupon that will attach to this. So if you're doing the deal with the paper towels, make sure you go ahead and put this one up first, okay? Which it really don't matter, because it will attach to either one of these other paper towels. Then we've got a 25-cent coupon that's attaching to one box of puffs, which is $2.05. And then we have got 2 of these Bounty Essentials, 6 equal 12 for $9.50. You got a $4 earn on one of these. Okay? So we're going to pick up 2, because we have to have $25. So $9.50 and $9.50 is $19. 20, 21. We're at $24.50. We do not have enough. So we're going to pick up another box of puffs. And I'm going to do the 2 boxes of puffs instead of doing the big thing of puffs, because they are not on sale. And I believe that this is just cheaper, because you'll only be spending $4.05, and actually less than that, because you're getting 50 cents or a quarter off on one of them. So we're going to pick up 2 puffs, 2 bounties, and the Bounty Essential. That's what I'm picking up. Now, what you can do with this as well is pick up a Charmin toilet paper instead, because you've got coupons for that. Now, this is the deal with this. I think this is going to all stack, okay, with the store coupon and the instant savings, the earn. I think everything will stack at $25. However, if it doesn't, and you're in a Generation 2 store, it might not. If that's the case, you'll have to spend an extra $5 to account for the instant savings and that spin deal, okay? So keep that in mind. If it's not working for you, have you another item up there to throw in on the deal, okay? You can always put it back if you don't need it. So, and you've even got a sale on your Charmin Essentials, guys. $16.25 Charmin Essentials is $14.95. So you could even, get in on a sale with the Charmin as well. So guys, we are going to head up front. My phone is about dead. So we're going to head up front, pay for this, see what my final out-of-pocket is in the end, because remember, we'll be getting some earns back. A $4 earn. So if you've not used your $4 earn yet, then get on it. I want you to look, guys. Look. Summer stuff is back. What did they do? Just set it in the back in the box and then bring it right back out. Look at this. The summer stuff is already back, which tickles me. It really does, because, oh, we got solar lights. We got something new. Solar twist lights. For outdoors, indoors and outdoors. Yeah, we might want to check those out. $10. But yeah, it just blows me away. Not even spring yet, and well, I guess this is springy stuff. Yeah, all the gardening stuff. I mean, we just had this as clearance, but that works out well. Oh, look at all this stuff here. Brown dot. I think getting this set up for a little sale here, which would be awesome. Alright, guys. I'll be back with you and let you know exactly what our out-of-pocket was. Okay, everybody, we are back in the car. OMG, look at this. Okay, I ended up with a Bounty $3.50, 2 Puffs for $2.05, 2 Bounties for $9.50, okay? Coming off was 25 cents on a Puff, 50 cents on the Bounty, $5 on the Bounty, $5 on the Bounty, and a $2 birthday coupon came off. So my out-of-pocket was $14.60. Okay, guys? $14.60. And then I'm going to get $4 back in my earn. So I'm at $10.60. And then I should be getting my $3 back, because I had to 3 off of 15 on this one. Hopefully I get that back. Now, we may have to actually spend the $15. If that's the case, I didn't quite make it. Total savings on the sale was $12.75. Now, that's not including the earn. With the earn, it's $16.25. And if I get that $3 back in a digital coupon, then my savings will be almost $20. So, yeah. Winner, winner, chicken dinner all day long, guys. And it may not last. This is my other deal. Make this a run deal. Because as soon as they figure out that their instant savings has come up with this coupon, they're going to pull that coupon. Especially once they realize it is stacking. So this is a definite run deal. So put your shoes on and head out. And I'll talk to you again real soon with more of feel-good DG goodness. Bye, babes.